Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word concise. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. She gave a concise summary of the main points in the report. Concise means expressing or stating much in few words, brief and to the point, without unnecessary details or elaboration. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.